All right, 8th graders, this is a program that I sent you an image of this in your Gmail. Everyone has a copy of this. It has our task description, it has our pseudocode, and now we're going to write a program for this. So we have to put the black text in task description, we have to put the green text in pseudocode, and then we have to create a program. Then we'll download and run it. So let me go to Robot C. This is my template from yesterday. I'm going to use the same template, but I'm going to change it a little bit. So if you remember the task description, I was using that black text, and I'm going to change it a little bit. I'm going to push a button, because I like to start things by pushing a button, then they don't take off right away. And we're going to turn the right motor on at full speed for 3 seconds, comma, off for 10 seconds. So the motor's going to set still for 10 seconds. Then back on for 3 seconds at half speed. You notice that runs off the screen. Not a big deal. Half speed. Then we're going to go off for 2 seconds. And then reverse half speed for 3 seconds. All right. There's our task description. I dragged that back over. Now, for pseudocode, we're going to put until bump. Start motor full speed for 3 seconds. So I put a comma, start motor full speed for 3 seconds. And it's going to be off for 10 seconds. Let me see if I can hit return so that doesn't wrap around as much on that time. Okay, then we're going to go, after it's off for 10 seconds, start motor half speed for 3 seconds. We're going to go off for 2 seconds. And then it's going to be reverse motor, half speed, for 3 seconds. So this is a multi-line program. Let me hit enter so that doesn't wrap around. That way we can keep it all on the screen. Kind of a pain. So our pseudocode is what's going to help us drag in those lines of code. Let's look at what we have right now. This is yesterday's program. We're pushing a button. We're running a motor half speed for 10 seconds. So let's edit that. This is until bump, start motor, full speed for 3 seconds. We have until bump, start motor, full speed is going to be 127. And our wait time is going to be 3 seconds. Then it's going to stop. And it's going to wait for 10 seconds. So let's expand natural language. Let's expand wait. We're going to drag over wait time. And our wait time is going to be 10 for 10 seconds. Okay, so from there it wants us to start motor half speed for 3 seconds, off for 2 seconds. That's similar to this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a little bit of a shortcut. I'm going to copy this and edit it. So I'm going to go Control-C for copy. I'm going to hit Enter. And I'm going to paste this down below. So after it's been off for 10 seconds, start motor, right motor, half speed, half of 127. That's about 63. And it says for 3 seconds. And then it's going to be off for 2 seconds. So we're going to change that from 10 to 2. All right, then it's going to come back on, and it's going to reverse half speed for, what was that? I left that out. 3 seconds. Put that back up there in my pseudocode. All right. So let's paste that again. We'll get rid of some stuff. All right, so the motor's going to reverse. So instead of reverse at half speed, instead of positive, it's going to be a negative 63. That's going to make it go backwards, half speed for 3 seconds, and it's going to stop. I don't need this wait at the end, so I'm going to delete that. Okay. This is our program. We're going to hit the switch. It's going to go on full speed, 3 seconds. It's going to turn off for 10. It's going to come back on half speed for 3 seconds. It's going to turn off for 2. It's going to come on in reverse for 3 seconds, and then it's going to stop. Let's hit compile program and see if there's any errors in the code. Okay, yesterday I showed you if there was an error, there'd be a red X, and there's no red X's. Our program is sitting nicely between our 2 red curly braces. Let's hook this up. Make that bigger. I'll grab my orange cord carefully. It's all the way over in the back of my computer. My Cortex is off. There's no lights on. We want it off. We're going to plug it in. The lights come on. We got our fresh battery. I'm going to get that out of the way of my push button switch. I'm going to turn this on. We got our 2 green lights. Here's my wheel. Here's my right motor. My left motor lost its wheel. That's okay. We're just playing with the right motor right now. All right. We need to do a firmware download to clean up that Cortex. We're looking for those blue bars. There they are. So what this is doing is it's erasing my program from yesterday because I've changed it. Not only that, maybe somebody used this test bed before you, and you need to clear it out for your activity. Okay, so we're going to click OK. Let's go download the robot. Downloads the robot. We're going to click on Start. Let's go back to our robot here. Carefully unplug your USB. 2 green lights look good. All right, so I'm going to push the button, and it's going to go full speed for 3 seconds, so it's going to go a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's going to be off for 10 seconds, so that's kind of a long wait time, and sometimes you want your wait times a little shorter, but in this suggestion. Okay, now it's going half speed, only for 3 seconds, off for 2, and then it goes in reverse, half speed. By golly, we made it through this. I hope you have the same good luck. Now, if you wanted to see this program again, simply turn off your Cortex, turn it back on, hit your button. There's your full speed. It's going to be off for 10 seconds, and then it'll come back on half speed. And then it's so much slower. Off for a couple seconds, and then it reverses. All right, I hope this works out for you. So until next time, good luck.